Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are making some soft ginger lemon mandazis. Let's get to the video. I'm going to use 2 kg of Axe mandazi flour. I'm just going to start by adding my flour to a basin as shown in the video. I love using Axe mandazi flour because it's perfectly mixed with baking powder and baking soda. So I recommend you try the Axe mandazi flour. It's good. I'm sure you'll love it. Moving on, I'm now going to add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger, or you can just use 2 tablespoons of ground ginger. I'm also going to use 2 tablespoons lemon powder, or you can just use 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. So guys, the packet I'm holding of my lemon powder is 1 tablespoon but not heaped. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon salt to taste and 8 tablespoons sugar. To taste, you can use brown sugar or white sugar, whichever one you like. After adding 8 tablespoons of sugar, I'm now going to mix all my dry ingredients together well as shown in the video. I'm then going to add warm water bit by bit as I knead my dough, making sure there are no lumps in my dough as shown in the video. This takes a little while, you guys. You have to just be patient and knead your dough well. And leave it to watch me while I knead my dough for a little while, and I'll be right back. After kneading my dough and making sure it's lump free, I'm now going to add some oil. I'm then going to knead my dough again for a little while as shown in the video. And as you can see, our dough is now ready. I'm then going to cover it and leave it overnight. I always leave my doughs overnight if you've been watching my mandazi recipes. I recommend you leave your dough overnight if you want soft mandazis. So the next day, I'm just going to uncover my dough. I'm then going to knead it for a little while as shown in the video. I'm then going to spread some oil on my board as shown in the video, and then I'm going to divide my dough. I'll then lay it on my board as shown in the video, and then I'm going to roll it to make it larger as shown in the video. I'll leave you to watch what I'm doing for a little while, and I'll be right back. After rolling my dough and making it larger, I'm now going to oil a tray that I'm going to use to set my mandazi aside after cutting them. My mandazi dough, I'm sorry. as you can see, I'm just cutting my mandazis, my mandazi dough. I don't know if that's a word. So I'm just going to cut them as shown in the video, and then I'm going to lay them on the tray beside. I always cut my mandazis and lay them on a tray. It saves you much time, especially when you are alone making mandazis alone. When making mandazis alone, it's all about multitasking. You have to cut your dough, you have to fry your mandazis, so it's a lot of work if you are alone. So when you cut your dough and set them aside, it makes your work a little much easier. So guys, I'm just showing you the mandazis that I cut and laid on a tray. I'm then going to go ahead and preheat my oil in a karai or whatever you have, and then I'm going to start dipping my mandazi doughs as shown in the video. And when my mandazis rise above the oil, I'm then going to turn the other side as shown in the video. I'm then going to fry both sides of my mandazis until golden brown as shown in the video. I always make my mandazis using a charcoal stove, but you can also use a gas stove. I'll leave you to watch that for a little while, to watch what I'm doing for a little while. I'm sorry, and then I'll be right back. I recommend you try the ginger lemon mandazis. They are so good, you guys. I'm positive you won't be disappointed. After frying both sides of the mandazi to golden brown, I'm then going to remove them from the oil as shown in the video. I'm then just going to repeat the process with the other dough until it's over as shown in the video. I'm just going to finish making all my mandazis, I'm sorry, and I'll be right back. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Our mandazis are looking so soft. See you in my next video. Bye.